if you're one of those people that bought in the narrative that this stock is going to take off, is going to be next Tesla, is going to go 100, the valuation is going to be $300 per stock or $700 per stock, well, I have a news for you. I don't think this is happening for the stock. And again, I'm very unbiased. I have nothing against the company. I'm not a financial advisor, but I do read statements and I do read cash flows, and I do read other stuff, which I cover on this channel. And I could pretty much tell you that right now, this is not happening, right, guys? And if you were invested in the company, just note that you are in negative, right? And I'm guaranteeing you that if you have bought this company stock a year ago, you are in a big negative, and you're thinking, when is it going to take over? And then to give you guys perspective, right now, the original value of the stock is about 0.008 cents. All right. And if you purchase it at 21 cents, I really feel sorry for you, because the stock price right now is 0.008, which is a lot lower than what you bought it for. And it's going to go down, right? They're going to do another reverse stock split. So let's talk about this new proposal that are coming up. If you guys seen this, SEC filing came up recently. Actually, matter of fact, it came up today. And what are they saying here? There's a meeting held on August 3rd. What's gonna happen in that meeting? There's different proposals being proposed, and I'm only interested in one thing. They're gonna ask you to vote for 1-to-2 or 1-to-100 reverse stock split, and people have to approve it. You know why? Because nobody wants to go to OTC, over-the-counter platform, to trade the stock, okay? And if you're a shareholder, well, you're going to vote for yes, because you want the company to keep trading on the NASDAQ. And I really, really, really feel bad for everybody that got into that position. I've been making videos on this daily, and I told you guys that, hey, listen, let the profit go if there's a profit, right? If there's a such thing. I would rather miss some money on the profit side and be stuck in a position for a long time. So if I would have gotten into this position, and when I started making this video, let me give you guys perspective here. When I started making these videos, there's all these red lines right here. Guys, these were the red lines of supply right here. There's not a lot of demand. There used to be demand, but they became supply, and there was so many red lines. There's so many red lines that keep moving forward, and we have, we're stacked on each other, okay? Now, the moral of the story is that we are stuck with the stock, and if you're in the position, well, you have no other way to go around and just be holding on to this at this point, because, there's no point of selling, because you're going to be losing a lot of money at this very point. And I'm not trying to give you a financial advice here, but if I'm holding the stock right here and I've been down so much, if I'm past that threshold where, there's no point of even selling because you're going to lose 80% of your portfolio, might as well just keep it. Hopefully one day you might get a pump, and that pump is going to, short squeeze, what I'm calling it, and you might be able to sell it. But if you're looking for a Tesla type situation, well, sorry to break it to you, it's not happening. And again, I said it like 3 times, but it's not a financial advice, guys. Hope you guys are doing your own due diligence. Do not just listen to people and invest in a company. Check out the company and make sure that you understand what they're doing. You trust the CEO, you trust their CFOs, and so on and so forth. And again, the good news is that I'm here to cover most of the stock. So if you're new to the channel, do consider subscribing. I'll talk to you on the next video.